Citizen leader nelsonchamisa has urged Zimbabweans to remain calm and hopeful following the signing into law of the controversial Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Number 3, CAB3, saying the struggle for democracy will continue despite attempts to close the democratic space. Sarabida Mash Kubdani Vachensi, CAB3 Gazetted. President Chamisa tells supporters not to panic. We will subscribe or like out of the bill icon. Tipram Namo Bengom Chensi. In a brief message shared on Tuesday after the amendment officially became law, Chamisa sought to reassure citizens amid growing debate over the constitutional changes. Fear not, Chamisa declared, without elaborating further on his statement. His remarks came shortly after President Mnangagwa ascended to the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Number 3 bill, with the new law being published in the Government Gazette on Tuesday, completing the legislative process. The enactment of CAB3 marks the conclusion of months of parliamentary debate, Senate deliberations, and public consultations that surrounded the proposed constitutional amendments. The new law introduces several changes to the Zimbabwe governance framework, including extending the country's electoral cycle from 5 to 7 years. Its publication in the Government Gazette means the amendment now form part of Zimbabwe's constitution and will guide governance, legislation, and judicial interpretation going forward. The signing of CAB3 into law has sparked renewed debate across political landscape, the ZANU-PF describing it as a constitutional reform, while critics include the citizens' movement have raised concerns over its potential impact on democratic governance and accountability. Despite the new law, Chamisa argued citizens to remain resilient and hopeful, framing the moment as a test of the nation's commitment to democratic values in the face of ZANU-PF's push to tighten its grip on power. Homa developments and Pangwa anyway. Na comment section medu za fungura any more today pamsana pechitiko each. So subscribe or like, chito the bell icon.